Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Took this in part exchange on the weekend, very impressed with it. Ford Kuga 2-litre TDCi titanium, all-wheel drive. Done 100,000 miles, had the cam belt replaced at 95,000 miles. Got good service history up to about 60 odd thousand. Then the last owners have been servicing it themselves, but they couldn't do the cam belt, so they had that done by a garage. Frozen white, bodywork is outstanding. Doesn't look like it's ever had any paint. It's got no dents, no scratches, no rust, no stone chips. It's lovely. Fitted with the tow bar, upgraded 19-inch Ford alloy wheels from new. MOT, I think it's July next year. Has fitted rubber mats, has the half leather seats, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, air conditioning and climate control, and the aircon is working. It's very, very cold. Lovely and clean throughout. I mean, really been well looked after this. There are no signs of wear or dirt or tattiness anywhere. Load covers in there. Can't really release it like that. Nice and clean and tidy. Not abused or knocked about. Spare wheel, space saver. That's there. Jack and wheel brace, wheel locking keys in the glove box. Comes with 2 remote keys. Privacy glass, roof rails. Real smart looking cars, these Kugas. Plenty of tread on all the tyres. Not any stone chips or anything. Real fresh looking car. Just driven it. Drives very, very well. Got all the owner's manuals and books with it. Not tatty or worn. A little bit of wear on the base of the driver's seat, as you'd expect, but generally, other than that, on the driver's seat, it is in really, really nice condition. Price of this car is £4,395, 2012. Right, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you will be kind enough to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into our stock list. You will be one of the first people to know about it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.